Hello friends, welcome. Now with this video I'm going to start a new Laravel project because I live in Zakynthos, Greece, and it's coming the summer. One of my friends who has a restaurant, he said me if I can create a Laravel website, not Laravel website but just a website for the restaurant to make a reservation, so people who's coming here for holidays can see the meals and make a reservation for a table to the restaurant. And that's what I'm going to do. So here, let's open the terminal. And I'm going to cd in the work directory, because here I'm going to create that project. And for you who are new in my channel, you can find how to install Laravel in the video in this channel. I'm going to leave also the link of the video in the description. So after you install in the Laravel, I'm going to say Laravel new and restore app. I'm going to name it, and it's going to create a project in here. So let's wait for a little bit, and let me zoom it if you don't see correctly. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cd in the restore app and open this with a VS Code. And I have problem with VS Code, I think. Let's open the VS Code here. And why I not have installed this? Okay. Let's close and do the same thing. Open with code now. Yeah. Here it is now, the core application. And I'm going to zoom it. Okay. Now in here, I'm going to go to .env and copy the database name and go to the database and create one for this one. So add new database, paste that name and click add. And with that, now if I go to the terminal and say php artisan migrate, hit enter, and by default we have the user table, password reset, and personal access token. Let's go to the database and make a refresh. Yeah, now we have the users, which is coming by default with Laravel. Let's go now to the browser, Safari, and open this restore app in here, restore app.test, and this is because I have installed the Laravel Valet. For that I have this .test domain here, and here is the project. Right now, when we create in this project, the Laravel version is 9.4.1 and the PHP version is 8.1.3. Okay friends, that's it for this video, for this intro. In the next one we are going to create models and migrations. Okay, all the best. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Thanks, boss.